Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write an essay for your college or university assignment, avoiding any potential plagiarism. Let's get started. As you might already know that how great the ChatGPT is to generate essays and do more stuff. But if you use the ChatGPT content without any processing, then you might get caught for the plagiarism. So what can you do to avoid getting caught from the plagiarism detectors? I have a solution for you, which I am going to discuss in this video today. Here I will be showing you a step-by-step process on how to use ChatGPT for writing an essay and avoid any potential plagiarism. First of all, let's open ChatGPT and ask it to write an essay for us. Wait until the ChatGPT finishes writing in the essay and then copy the whole content from it. Now open your Microsoft Word and paste the essay you just copied from ChatGPT. Click on Insert, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. Now it will open the browser with list of extensions. Search for Quillbot and click on Get It Now. Now sign in to the Microsoft using your email address. Once you sign into Microsoft account, Quillbot will get installed into your Microsoft Word. It will now ask for your other details such as your country and phone number. After you provide your details and click Get It Now, Quillbot will be installed into your Microsoft Word. Now click Open in Word. Now you can see Quillbot on top menu. Click on Quillbot. It will then ask for you to log in. If you do not have an account on Quillbot, you can create it from here. Or if you already have an account, you can log in. After you log into Quillbot, it is now ready to paraphrase. Copy the first paragraph from your essay and paste it to Quillbot and click on Paraphrase. This will paraphrase your entire paragraph. Before using this text, please check the paragraph once again to see if it has been paraphrased properly and modify if needed. Then click on Insert. This will replace the ChatGPT paragraph with new paraphrased paragraph. Repeat the same process for remaining paragraphs. Now you are ready to save the Word file with an essay written with ChatGPT and paraphrased with Quillbot. That's how you can use ChatGPT, avoiding any potential plagiarism. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more useful videos like this.